Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about the best NFT projects to be putting on your radar right now. They're not buy recommendations or sell recommendations. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't be doing that. But these are projects that I'm currently looking at right now. Some of them are new projects. Some of them are older, more established projects. We'll be talking about the risks involved in buying as well as the potential rewards and just be talking about them in general. So again, guys, not buy alerts. So before we get into the NFTs to buy right now, I just wanted to bring up Moomoo right here because Moomoo is doing a special Christmas giveaway. They are a stock trading brokerage and they have a great promotion going on. So I just wanted to touch up on this. The link below to sign up for Moomoo is in the description, and that's what you are going to have to do to essentially get these gifts, get this promotion. They're giving away Oculus Quest 2s so you can enter the metaverse, iPhone 13 Pros, and shares of GoPro. In order to get the gift, you can sign up and open a brokerage account on Moomoo and do all of these other tasks right there. They also have a promotion on top of those gifts that they're giving out, where if you open an account on Moomoo, you get one free stock valued up to $3,500. Then if you deposit $1, you get another free stock valued up to $3,500. So all you have to do is make an account and deposit $1. You get up to $7,000 in free stock. Then the wild card right here, you deposit $2,000, you get an additional 3 free stocks up to $3,500 each. So if you deposit $2,000, you can get up to $17,500. By far the best brokerage promotion, and it's essentially free money. All you have to do is deposit $1 on their platform to get this promotion. So that is Moomoo. Check it out. The links are below in the description or pinned comments section. So taking a look here at Google Trends, you guys can see NFTs on Google as a search term, or YouTube as a search term, might I say. It peaked out here at the end of November and the beginning of December. So we're current, and it's a little bit lower right now, right? But currently, NFTs are being searched on the internet more than anything else, and I think that NFTs offer an immense opportunity into a new asset class, and I think they are pretty much just not understood correctly. So a lot of people are wondering what an NFT is. Why is it valuable? Why are people making tons of money buying these NFTs? You can see some of the search terms that they have. How to sell NFTs, how to make an NFT. You know what I mean. I actually made my first NFT. I minted my first NFT of my actual logo. It was so I could get listed for an airdrop. But still, I mean, NFTs, guys, they are here to stay. This whole metaverse thing is not a phase. It's not a trend. It is here to stay. It's going to be continued to be developed. There's even news of actually, I'll save this news for the end of the video. This is going to be saved for the end of the video. Anyways, we can move into Dune analytics right here to see how exactly NFT is growing. And it peaked out here in August in terms of Opensea volume. Opensea is basically a marketplace to buy and sell NFTs, but you can see it's been slowly declining each month. And so far in December, it's been pretty hot, but we won't get the full data until the end of December. It's also, you guys can see that NFTs picked up at the beginning of October. They also picked up halfway through November right here, at least for the Ethereum blockchain, which is probably the main blockchain for NFTs. Solana also has a very good NFT blockchain, but I'm not going to be talking about Solana in this video, so I might make a video on Solana in the future. I don't personally own any NFTs on Solana. I said that like reluctantly because I actually do own NFTs on Solana. I just don't have my wallet anymore. I lost my wallet, so that is very unfortunate, but who cares? Lost my private keys, so make sure you guys write down your private keys. Very important. None of these are too crazy right here. One thing that I wanted to touch on is that the Polygon daily volume has been picking up at the end of December. Polygon Matic the cryptocurrency has also been running lately. So this could be a little hint right here that Polygon NFTs will be increasing in value. I've actually got one Polygon NFT that I believe is, again, at the end of the video, so you're gonna have to wait around for that. Here is the first project. It is Ape Kids Club right here. You guys can see they're just these cute little apes. This is, in fact, a profile picture and art project. It doesn't necessarily have the same utility as some other projects, which inherently will make it more risky. It really needs to be universally adopted as a very popular NFT project if it wants to be successful. A lot of profile picture projects do not end up doing really well, but at least if you wanted to make maybe a flip on this thing, the floor has been rising pretty steadily over the past week or so. The drop was on November 30th, but if you wanted to get this thing for the long term, you probably should not be jumping in on it as the floor is rising. That typically happens when things are pumping, but it's a very illiquid market. So if you did get in on a project like this, and it's also like $6,000 minimum to get in, if you did get on something like this right now, probably a bit more risky. I'd wait it out, give it like a month or so, then see how this project is doing, then jump in on it. Here's their Twitter page right here. They have 50,000 followers. They're followed by a lot of legitimate people. They also have a website right here that we can look at real quick. As you guys can see, this is their website, guys. These are the cutest things ever. I just love the art here, right? I love the art. Apes are a huge thing in just finance in general. It doesn't even extend only in the NFT space. I mean, if you see AMC and GameStop investors calling themselves apes, you have Bored Ape Yacht Club. Apes are a defining thing of this financial period right now. So having the baby apes just being super cute, I can totally see them performing very well, but probably should not be buying this during peak hype unless you're trying to make a nice little quick flip out of it. The next thing that we have here is Crypto Bull Society. Now, Crypto Bull Society has a bit more utility than the last project that we talked about. They have a bunch of bulls right here, right? Different types of bulls. I don't like the art as much as the Baby Ape project, but it's still very nice, and I'm sure there's a bunch of rare bulls that I'm just not seeing here on the first page of Opensea. We can move into their website right here. Actually, one thing I wanted to touch on is that if you are a holder of a crypto bull, you'll be able to claim a crypto bear for free. So if those crypto bears, right, and it's basically a play on the fact that there's bull markets and bear markets, right? So if you do claim a crypto bear, the crypto bulls are going for almost 4 Ethereum right now. So that might be a nice little airdrop that you get there from that crypto bear. You also can see that the floor has been steadily rising in this thing up to a $4 ETH average price as of today, 2.68 ETH as of yesterday. So again, guys, it's hard to chase these things and actually be profitable, but if you do, the momentum is in your favor right now, probably leading up to this crypto bear mint right here. So that is also very important if you wanted to do a quick flip. Just know that the floor price will probably drop significantly after the mint. You can also stake this, so you can stake the project right here, and you will be able to get bull tokens, right? So it'll be converted to bull tokens, which have multiple utilities. So there's definitely a bit more utility coming with this project, which would explain the elevated floor price right here. The next NFTs that I want to talk about, and this is not fully loaded right here, is Sandbox Land. So right here we have the map of Sandbox, and I just wanted to touch. So on OpenSea you can buy Sandbox Land, right? So you can buy this parcel right here, this parcel right here, right? And it all has a location, right? And just like normal real estate, Sandbox Land is location. So here we have an NFT that is quite literally utility. You can use this in the sandbox, the video game, right? And you can build whatever you want on this land because you have ownership of the land. Where you want to buy land in the sandbox is huge because, again, guys, location. Right here in the center of the island, or the center island, should I say, and then right over here near Snoop Dogg. I don't know if you guys can see that. Snoop Dogg, I think that's going to be a very hot spot. So anything in this area seems like a pretty good deal. Even over here near Roller Coaster Tycoon and Gemini seems like a pretty decent spot to grab some land. And again, guys, this is the Sandbox. It's also on Opensea. The next project that we're going to be looking at is another momentum play right here. Not necessarily the best long-term investment. I can't tell you what this project will be doing in a few months from right now, but right now some whales are accumulating this project. It's a 10,000 profile picture project. I don't know if it's going to keep going. Obviously, it has some inspiration here from Bored Ape Yacht Club. A common theme in NFTs to make ape NFTs, Degen Ape Academy, CyberKongs, all have like this ape theme to them. So that's why these baby apes, something like this, could potentially be a great project, and it's up to you. I don't like the art in this as much as I like the baby apes project, but this is still pretty decent. And again, guys, it has the momentum right now. You can make that quick flip, but it also comes with elevated risk when the momentum is definitely in your favor. So be careful with that. Lazy Lions, this is a staple profile picture project right now. They also have Lazy Bungalows, which is a different NFT project. Now this one has been beaten up a bit. It had a maximum floor price in the past of about $4 or 4 ETH. All the way back here, you guys can see the average price being sold was like 3.67 ETH, and now volume is starting to pick up again. So if there was one project right now that out of all of this that I would think would be a pretty safe bet on your money, also has momentum picking up, I do think Lazy Lions would probably be your best bet. It has withstand a few of these bear cycles. I'm not going to say bear run, but a bear cycles in NFTs. So it is a solid profile picture project. I really love the art here. I mean, they just have such great intricate detail. And it's just so funny, like some of these lines. I think each and every single one of them is good. So in terms of the art, out of the ones that I've talked about so far, Lazy Lions is definitely one of my favorites. Moving into the Polygon NFTs that might be a good one to buy now is D-Race. Now, if you've watched some of my cryptocurrencies to buy now videos, you'd know that D-Race is a cryptocurrency that I think has lots of upside. Now you have their NFTs as well. These are the D-Race horses. There are about 2.8 thousand of them. The floor price is 1 Ethereum. So if you buy a horse, you can use it in D-Race, which is a video game or gaming, and you can gamble, right? You can bet your horses, you can bet money against other horses. It's essentially crypto horse racing, right? And these are the horses that you can buy as NFTs to be using in D-Race. So I think D-Race will be a massive success, and compared to some other projects, I think they are relatively cheap. You're getting it for a bit cheaper of a price right now. It peaked out. The average price in November, end of November, was 2.82 ETH right here, and now it has a floor of about 1 ETH. So it's a lot cheaper right now than you would have been getting it in the past. And each of these horses are different, right? There's different breeds, different ear types, different whatever, and they all have different traits that affect their performance in the game. So the last thing that I wanted to touch on here is a gaming cryptocurrency. Now this is not an NFT, but I just wanted to add it into the video because they are working with AMD. They have a possible connection to the company Meta as well. You guys can see it's Ultra UOS. Now the gaming cryptocurrency, all of the market caps are coming down today. I mean, Decentraland's down, Axie's only up a little bit, Sandbox is down, Gala's down, and Gala's down. Engine is down. Everything is down besides Ultra UOS here. And Ultra UOS has a partnership with AMD, right? The only cryptocurrency to have a partnership with Advanced Micro Devices. It's up about 8% on the day. Right now is definitely an accumulation zone for these gaming cryptos because they've just been beaten up so much over the past week. I like to go for the strongest projects, and seeing that UOS is up right now is a very good sign that UOS will be a staple of the next bull cycle here in the crypto gaming marketplace. Anyways, guys, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. As always, drop a like on the video if you guys did. Subscribe for more of this cryptocurrency content. And yeah, guys, those are my NFTs to buy right now. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace.